guys, I'm back. This is my pork that I seasoned for 2 days now, my oven dry pork that I'll be doing. Alright, so I have some water boiling on the stove here. Okay, because this is how I like to do my jerk pork, to get it tender. So I season my water, guys. I'm putting in some salt there. And I personally don't like to season meat with salt because, like I said, some could season are very salt, but in this case, I make an exception because this is pork that we did jerk pork. We wanted to have that salt taste as well. And I also putting in some pimento too. My water, even though my pork is already seasoned, I still season my water. The reason for that, I don't want it to lose the flavor as I'm going to boil it. Okay, so it just makes sense to, I'm adding another spoonful of that. I'm also adding my green seasoning. Okay, just looking for extra flavor here, guys. Okay, that's how I do mine. You don't have to do yours like this. And the pimento, I like to do it with the pimento, guys, in the water, because when you're back home in Jamaica, you know, especially in my backyard, I have a big pimento tree, so I get the pimento leaf, you know, but here you don't have it, so yeah, I try to use as much pimento seed in the water to kind of get that authentic taste, you know what I mean? And of course, some browning for color. Okay, guys. Putting in some smoked paprika as well. Yeah. Need some sauce in the water I just did. Look at that water. It looks like a marinade thing in a sense, right? So that's what I'm looking for. Okay. Definitely go in with some black pepper as well. Okay. Like I said, guys, don't be afraid to taste. Okay. So you're gonna make your food is the way you want it. So I like what this tastes like at the moment. It should be good. I'm telling you guys, this pork is very, very nice. You should. And I'm also, guys, adding. Are you seeing it? I'm adding in a cinnamon stick. Okay. So this is my pork here. How beautiful this is. Seasoned, guys. Putting it in the seasoned water right here. I told you already I'm using some pork shoulder. I get it sliced up, guys, so to be easier for me. This thing is spicy. It's letting me cough. Ooh. Trouble there. Right. So that's it. Wash my hands before I touch anything else. Whenever you handle meat in your kitchen, guys, wash your hands to avoid contamination. guys, you see how pretty those look? Trust me, you won't lose any flavor because I seasoned this water. Believe me, it tastes very good. And it's not even finished yet. Okay? So guys, we'll see you back when this is ready, okay? Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. I didn't put the beer in now, so I'm going to put my beer in now. So this is what we use to base my pork. Okay? Same water that was boiling with my beer. Look at that, guys. Goodness and this pot here. Okay? This is how I do mine. Like I said, I'm going to do it like this. But I'd rather to do it like this because I get all of that goodness, you know, tenderness. Let me take my time with this. I don't want it to spill. Yes, guys, when you do it like this, don't boil it. If you should do it like this, don't boil it in plain water. Please to season the water so you don't lose your flavor from your pork. Okay? When you do this, you get it tender. This is how I used to it at home. Okay? So I'll show you. It's bubbling up nicely. I'll leave it another 7 more minutes and then I'll turn it off. Just season it with water, okay? With the pimento and your season and everything. I tell you, this is mad flavor. You might wonder why she put cinnamon stick in it and not bake shea baby. I tell you, cinnamon can go in your food too. You know what you're cooking, okay? Cinnamon gives your meat a nice flavor. Yeah. Just don't put a lot. Okay, you know, so I only put 1 stick in it because I don't need 2. Okay? For myself. And of course, when you go out and you taste other food, if you know what these things taste like in food, you will taste it. Just don't let it overpower your pot, so don't put a lot in it. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave this to boil some more, soften up some more, and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And this is where it's at. Okay, so I'm going to now turn my stove off. Put them in my baking pan here. Just spray a little. Not much. Just that much, okay. Turn my stove off. Those are cooked how I want it. Okay, guys. My hands are blocking you guys. Okay, let me do it from this angle. Good. How pretty that is, guys. Put it in the oven now and finish it there. Okay? And of course, this water that I boil my pork in, I'm going to use it to also base it. Okay? Looks like you can eat it already, right? Talk true. Alright, so I'm going to put them in the oven now. We'll come back. So I'm just wetting it with some of my beer and my same sauce water that I used to boil it. So let me put this in the oven back. So guys, this is where it has. See that? Looking beautiful already, right? It's not finished yet, so I'm just turning them over now. See that, guys? How lovely does that look? See that? How lovely. Looks very good, right? Guys, I can't wait for you to really get rolling on this when I eat some. There it is, guys. I'm going to put it back in the oven. You see how soft that is, right? See that, guys? How beautiful is that? So 10 more minutes. I'm just gonna put this on the boil for 10 more minutes and that's it. Okay. So there we have it, guys. All done. My oven jerk pork. See how beautiful that is. So I'm done. See? Pretty, right? Guys, so that's it. I'm just going to plate it now. Let you see. Smell like a jerk center in here. Okay, guys, so there we have it. My oven jerk pork. My way. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please tell me in the comment. If you want to try it, please feel free to do so. Let me know if you try it too as well, okay? Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for your support. Okay? It means a lot to me and I do appreciate you all. So there it is, guys. I served my jerk pork over some festival and some vegetable here. Okay? This is a look. It's a finished product, guys. Thank you for watching. For watching my channel. Continue to support me. God bless you. Walk good. Be safe.